Also, just disabling the brakes and
I mean, look, we're coming at it from such a low level of understanding that I'm like, oh, someone could just take over my car and run wide open acceleration. Is that truly possible? I don't know. We should have,
demonstration scale projects in Europe, and the Swedes were the first to have something that's a little bit bigger than demonstration. But I visited a massive.
Extra time. I'm going to constantly say no. I don't think this one will. There'll be no point, Papa, by the time that England are 6-0
Reuters, I quote, "We are looking at the possibility of doing the IPO before the end of the year." End quote.
You can cast all those worries aside, because with us you know exactly what you're getting. Got great value family rooms at over 800 locations, plenty of parking, and delicious for everyone. So you can family trip without
a bit back and source.
Oh, it's very middle class.
Very
Oh,
yeah.
What's the
Feed the Snake. That is where we. Hang on. So once we finish our pint of beer.
We take it on a road trip, which I do all the time, right? But I'm getting to the nitty gritty. But it's like everyone's first experience in the EVs. How many times?
It happens as kids, or Russell touching people up. Main sources of the day in the universe. It was a proper horror show, and a weekend at the seaside was in order. We set up the tent and decided to buy some cider as it turned cold, and we thought it was up.
My sister used to. It was a sort of a traumatic thing. Her friends would come over and stay, and the noises my dad would make.
What sort of noises?
Well, from his bottom quite a lot.
Really?
Yeah, it's good.
Like father, like son, it tumbles.
It's not good radio.
It's good fun though, ain't it, Trev?
Maybe later when you're in the bath, I might give you a little suck.
You sexualise everything. We're having a bit of fun. It's innocent fun. It's a sex. It's tainted everything that we hold dear. Look, okay, let's.
Storylines, and he sent us in audio clips. We'll share those and some other trivia he gave us.
It's interesting because actually not a lot of our writers had real office work experience.
In the uni group chat, or maybe it's just that one friend who can't write in full sentences.
Whatever this is about, only they know. With end-to-end encryption, no one, not even WhatsApp, knows what's being sent. WhatsApp.
It costs so many hours for skilled craftsmen to make, and I can't understand why it's got such a low value now. The way they depreciate. I mean, if you've been to Bentley and seen the new Mulsanne, or the one that they just stopped making,
like him much. They don't like. They didn't go to school sports days. They didn't go to parents' evenings. It seems as if from the moment that Trevor was born, they tried to distance themselves from it, as if it was a stain on a mattress. Just like
elderly.
That's right. That's right.
So that's.
And
then they've got to put the cost in of how much a video message will be.
Great, and I love the fact that car makers are now Ford. Look at Ford 12 months ago to 12 months on now.
Finger on it. It definitely is a free thing. But there have been times where I didn't find that entirely, and I felt either the static as if I wasn't me.
Does that make sense?
What? No, you would.
No, because I'm not naturally drawn to watching comedy. I would watch yourself if you weren't you, because you would have the same sensibilities and you would appreciate it. I would appreciate it, but I think I would only watch me.
Oh no, does he want a woman? Maybe subconsciously he's displaying his repression as a shield against real human contact or female interaction. Trevor, are you afraid of relationships?
Oh no, I know.
Yeah. And
the money will not make a difference. I understand. I'm not here to argue that money can buy happiness, can buy a lot of things that bring you happiness. It can. But at the same time, when you're sitting on a 10,000 and then men saying, oh, I should be the best of all because I'm
in that dream life. But he'll figure it out, won't he? I think probably what happened was he fell down the drain pipe
under the mark clouds with trying to come back up, I'm sure.
These things are
made of wax.
If you would let me continue.
Go on then,
Ron Hewick, which is a hard word to say.
Yeah, you're never sure. But
So that's the first downfall. Now he is a special effects person who moved into
The
flight.
answer is
Radio
gang show here and sort of go, God, what the fuck's been on that gang? I think it's what they
Thank you.
But it's always with cars like this, just search around, call dealers, do a car wow. I've seen them on sale, the exclusive, ignoring Excite, because the Excite trim's okay, but the exclusive model, which is the one with the electric powered seats and
Comes from Yorkshire, Sports Legion United. Come on England, absolutely fantastic.
and the person you just can't be asked. And the person.
Oh god, it's Derek Bell again. Oh no, it's that guy again.
Jerry Bootson's texted me.
All these foreign drivers that have made such a huge effort to
It's
come
that
over
lane,
can't
mate.
be bothered to see.
Got that lane.
That's a funny thing about this festival.
Last week